Are you trying to tell me something? What? What? Is it time to put your dishes away? Did I forget to come get your dish? Hmm? Do we need to put your bowl away? Do we need to put your bowl away? Hi, Bella. You gonna show me where it goes? Okay, let's go put it away. Oh my goodness, you're so happy. Okay, come put it in the cabinet. You want me to do it? Come give it to me. You dropped it. Thank you. Okay, go get yours. Good boy, thank you. Yeah, so neat and tidy. Did you clean up your dishes? Thank you, Cooper. Thank you for cleaning up after dinner. Thank you very much. Yes, what a love. Thank you.